Now check out this beauty here. So this is a 1956 Chevrolet. And now I'd have to look at the side to see, is it a Bel Air? No, this might be either a 150 or 210. So you have the Chevrolet Inline 6, which that might be a 231. Possibly a 250, but 250 I don't think was out yet, but it's possible that it was swapped in, right? This thing is in really, really good nick. And, you know, bench seat, and I can't tell, is it an automatic or a manual? It is, okay, so it's a 3 on the tree as well, which is kind of like similar to like your bare bones sort of car, and this would have been just your general, sort of, not economy car, I wouldn't say, but like your family car, right? And they have this iconic lines, the Tri-5 from 55, 56, 57. They're all very coveted, and it's just in very good shape.